Find out soon enough.
Ooh. Flopping in the muck down here. Oh, that's not good.
The strap part definitely isn't.
No, I knew the strap wouldn't be. I figured maybe the body might hold a little bit of dye. They're definitely going to be pastel, I can put it that way.
Looks like it's okay though.
Yeah, it got Cayman and Glacier.
What is all this stuff? Is it from this rack? I'm
No.
wondering if it's dyed.
No, it's not.
Look, there's rust and stuff all over it.
Maybe we should start putting something on it.
Yeah.
We'll start putting a plastic bag down on it.
Yeah, see, I think that's what that's
What it is. It is. Think all these are ruined?
No.
Okay. I hope not.
I think this one we just need to keep.
But the pastel, you think will be alright? Yeah. Okay, good stuff. Alrighty, to the inside. Yeah, we can definitely watch this one with the other one, don't you think?
I just get scared to wash them together.
I don't think we should watch 4 different times, you know. Look at that.
See how this turns out.
Ooh, that didn't turn out too bad.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Think.
Yeah. Something we didn't even know if it was going to hold dye. That doesn't look too bad. I mean, you're the one going to be wearing it. Do you like it?
Hmm?
Yeah, I like it too.
I don't know which way it's supposed to go.
I think that's the inside, isn't it? Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Definitely. You
yeah.
can see the seams on the inside. Yeah. Cool.
That one's mine.
Yeah. Red Rover, some masks is on over. The blue one. This is mine.
Just have some.
Ooh.
Is that okay that it got spots on it? Oh, you got a little bit of black on it
fine.
too.
I don't care.
It didn't get on the outside though.
Yeah, it looks great.
You like it?
Looks great. I think it came out really good. That came out better than I thought it would. Is that not cool? Look at
I
that.
like it.
Where the Cayman mixes with the Glacier. Oh yeah. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Score. You do want me to go ahead and start these, right?
Yeah.
Hot, small. There's the masks. Look at that. Look at that. There's the blue one. Those came out way better than I thought they would. I don't think they were 100% cotton, so you're really not supposed to dye stuff like this. But hey, came out pretty good, I would say. And here's the Babes' mask, or golden citrus yellow, whatever it is, and bubblegum. Yeah, they both came out pretty good. Look at there. Oh wait, sorry, it's inside out. Look at there. There we go. Check that out. Cool. Awesome. And here they are side by side. Yeah. Alrighty folks, everybody have a wonderful day.